Well, today I'm with Molly Whalen. She's the owner of Mountain Maids in Montana. In fact, it's called Mountain Maids of Montana. Hello, Molly.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here.
Good to have you here. Hey, I think of that big sky country of Montana as crisp and clean. Is there even dirt out there?
There's a lot of dirt. Luckily for our company, we have a lot of dust, so that keeps us very busy, but it is absolutely gorgeous out here.
Well, enjoy that gorgeous weather. What we're talking
Thanks.
about today is a presentation you have. You've spoken at ISSA Show in the past. You mentioned that earlier, but you have a presentation in the residential track at ISSA Show North America in Las Vegas, and that's scheduled November 15th through the 18th.
So my topic is called Thriving Through Change, Creating an Inspiring Motivation and Productive Culture. It's going to be on Tuesday, November 16th from 1 to 2 p.m. And I'm super excited to see everybody there. I know this has been a long road for a lot of us. It'll be great to celebrate our being persevering through everything and also celebrating our successes. And with Thriving Through Change, that is a part of it. So many of us had to pivot, many of us had to make quick decisions. And through a leadership course that I took that was called Discovery Insights, it was talking about different colors, energies, and through change, we bring up different colors and we show up differently on a good day and a bad day. And as leaders, we need to be able to drive force to bring forth change in a company. And the way that we show up will decide on whether or not our team members will follow our lead. And so when we show up really strong and forceful, and our team is a different color energy, they may not understand that forcefulness and they may actually turn away. So as we learn different color energies and how to bring them forth so that we can drive change, we can drive vision, we can drive employee culture, there's different colors that bring up those different ways of doing it that will appease other people so that it doesn't turn them off. And so in my presentation, there's going to be 3 different kinds of takeaways. One is to grow self-awareness as a leader, understanding your color, energy, and preference, and appreciate how your personal style can impact others. The second is to understand others on your team and recognize why you find some people difficult and others easy to get along with and everything in between. And then the last takeaway is going to be how you can adapt and connect and begin to learn others' leading color, energy, and adapt to that communication style. So those are going to be the 3 takeaways. It's really interactive. There's going to be takeaways from it, and I'm super excited to bring it to you and look forward to presenting on Tuesday, November 16th from 1 to 2.